In this video, we are going to see how we can add the end screen to the YouTube videos. And we are supposing that you have already uploaded the video and now you want to add the end screen, because for all the new uploads, it will automatically ask for the option to add the end screens. So that it should not be a problem. But in that case where you have already uploaded your videos, you click on the content and you head over to the video, open that up and you click on the editor. After that, you can trim and cut, blur, add music, or add end screen and info cards. We click on add end screen, and in this case we can add any kind of subscribe button at the end, other channel link, any video, any playlist, so whatever you want to attach. Let's say at the end I want to add the subscribe button. So this is my subscribe button and it should appear at the end. So the time frame is defined like this, and you will see the demonstration of it that when the video completes, it starts at 8:50. So let's play it from here. As you can see, now we can see the logo, the name, and so on. So that is how we can add the elements. Or if you want to add multiple elements, let's say you click on add and you click on the video, and you can also attach the most recent upload, the best viewer, or choose a specific video. So that's pretty much it, guys. After that, you click on save, and that is pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.